Okay, so if you've never worked with these T-nuts, and they're no relation to peanuts, so you won't get an allergy from using these, they're quite simple and easy to use, and obviously they're designed for wood. So what we need to do is we need to get a drill that's slightly larger than the actual T-nut itself. So you've got to drill out your hole, okay, and then what you've got to imagine is the T-nut has to go on the underside of the wood that your slide's going to be. If you have this on this side of the wood, and you bolt the slide in, it's just going to pull out. So the T-nut goes on the underside of the wood. Now all you do is, after you've drilled your hole, you just press it in, and then don't use a hammer. I've seen some people bang these in with a hammer, and what you can do is damage the thread. So the easiest way is first, just grab one of your bolts that we supply with the 4mm Allen key, just screw it in first up, grab your Allen key, give it a quick tighten up, and what you'll see it'll do, it'll actually start to pull in the T-nut for you automatically. Okay, so that way it goes in nice and evenly. Screw it out. And there you have it. Your T-nut's ready to go on the underside of the wood. You're going to put your slide down, and then you're going to bolt in your slide that way there. So that's how to use the T-nuts. And if you're going to use metal and everything, obviously you can bolt straight through metal and all that sort of stuff. But if you've never used a T-nut before and wondering what they are when they supply you, there we go. There's how to use them. You ripper.